So, how to fix WhatsApp verification code problem? Hello guys, welcome to this new video. On this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix verification code not received on any Android phone or even the iOS. So, all what you have to do is just open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, and then go to the apps, go to WhatsApp. Go to the power usage details, click here on force stop, and then go to the app launch and make sure to make it manage automatically like this. Go back, click here again on this force stop here in the top, and now go back to the settings, go to wireless and networks, and then enable the airplane mode from here and then disable it, and do the same thing with the Wi-Fi or the mobile network. Just disable them and enable them again. Now restart your phone and reopen WhatsApp, and the problem must be fixed. If it's not, then you may be having a problem in your SIM card. Don't forget to like, subscribe.